all, welcome to our channel. Any particular YouTube channel, we have getting strike on our YouTube channel. How to rectify that YouTube strike on your particular music? Most of the YouTube channel get will be strike only for music option. The music, how to we can rectify? Go to your channel. First of all, here you can check this option will be here. That is called YouTube Studio. Check with content. Here you click for filter option. The filter is showing for any kind of issues. Click for copyright claim. What are the copyright claim? Click for see details. So we'll get the copyright claim will be here. Simple. When you go to copyright claim, click here. One is called replace song and a mute song. We always click will be replace song. What is saying song will be good. Select it. Play it. Hit. Save. Save. This problem will be fixed within minute or within 2 minutes. The problem will be fixed and this copy will be claim will be removed. So what are the claim? Click for see details and check this. Change your replace song. What are the songs you have? Any song we can check with them and it is done. Just in fraction of seconds, the copyright claim will be removed from your YouTube channel option. Right now checking. So how much time will be taken? This copyright claim will be removed. It will take time will be less than minute or less than 2 minutes. The problem resolved based on your seconds. Now we can here wait for some time. The problem will resolve by the in your particular YouTube channel option. Don't use the copyright music, which is a music Instagram will be play. Don't the same music using on your YouTube channel option. Compulsory change the music. What are the YouTube channel? What are the shorts will be play the music? That music is selecting from the YouTube channel videos. Don't selecting for Instagram audio musics. Don't use on by the YouTube option. YouTube shorts, what other music will be free? Download it, use on Instagram and YouTube channel option. So follow these conditions and make it your video properly without copyright. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.